Every time we get pills from Pet Meds, they put a bone in the box. So this is Nessie's treat, is to try and get the bone out of the box. And she hates it. Uh-oh. It almost got stuck in the box. Goodness.
Get that bone.
Oh, there we go. Now I got the idea. Uh-oh. If I'm going to fight for this thing. Look around. Haven't I got this damn thing yet? I guess the laugh will be on us when she knocks over the $1,000 TV and receivers. What's the matter, Nessie? Ooh. Yeah. Boy, isn't that funny? She's close and she knows it. Oh, I hear something rattling. I think she's getting close to it. We should do this more often to make them work for their treats, you know that? She's getting mad now. Oh, she got it.
Good, Nessie.
Good girl. Was it worth it for an old chunk of half a milk bone? What?
I wonder if those other little trees you put in there are still there. Boy, she's not eating paper.
Well, Pet Meds, we had a good time.
Yeah.
Nessie, thanks you. She's checking out to make sure there's nothing else left in there. Well, it's pouring with rain again, Bren. You might want to take an umbrella.
I got mine there.
Good girl, Nessie. Good girl.